get you some, huh? Where you gonna go now? Well, you can't speed up by anybody now. You think you're better than me? Well, you think so? I like the way you drive. What, you got a fancy what? Huh? Keep out!
The Trunk Monkey, a revolutionary idea.
All right, back in the trunk.
Hey!
You little...
The Trunk Monkey, the revolutionary idea you'll only find one place.
Where'd you find this place?
Hey! You know it costs a lot to park here.
I gotta pay you any money?
Well, then you're gonna pay another way.
Oh, yeah?
The Trunk Monkey Samurai Edition.
That's my trunk monkey.
The Trunk Monkey Theft Retrieval System.
Get you some, huh? Where you gonna go now? Well,